a, accord, according, acknowledge, advantage, advertise, advertisement, advertised, all, altogether, an, and, any, anything, are, as is, balance, balanced, be, because, become, becoming, been, behalf, belief, believe, believed, beyond, building, but, call, called, can, cannot, care, cared, certificate, chair, chaired, character, cheer, cheered, child, circumstance, cold, come, commercial, commercially, cold, danger, dear, deliver, delivery, delivered, description, different, difference, difficult, difficulty, distinguish, distinguished, do, doctor, during, English, equal, equally, equaled, special, especially, everything, exchanged, expect, expected, I. Familiar, familiarity, February, financial, financially, first, for, from, general, generally, gentleman, gentleman, give, given, go, gold, govern, governed, government, great, guard, had, hand, has, have, he, him, himself, his, however, how, however, I, immediate, important, impossible, improved, improvement, in, income, inconvenience, inconvenient, inconveniently, individual, individually, influence, influenced, inform, informed, information, inscribe, inscribed, inscription, inspect, inspect, inspection, instruction, instructive, insurance, interest, investigation, is as, it, itself, January, knowledge, language, large, largely, larger, largest, liberty, Lord, most, Mr., much, myself, near, neglect, neglected, never, nevertheless, New York, next, nor, northern, nothing, November, number, numbered, object, objected, objection, of, on, opinion, opportunity, organization, organize, organized, augured, our, ourselves, over, owe, owing, owen, owner, particular, people, pleasure, practice, practice, practiced, principle, principally, principle, probable, probably, probability, prospect, public, publication, publish, published, put, quite, rather, regular, remarkable, remark, remarked, remember, remembered, represent, represented, representative, respect, respect, respectful, respectfully, responsible, responsibility, satisfaction, satisfactory, school, schooled, sent, several, shall, short, should, significance, significant, signify, signified, something, southern, speak, special, specially, spirit, subject, subjected, sufficient, sufficiently, sufficiency, sure, surprise, surprised, telegram, tell, thank, thanked, that, the, their, them, themselves, their, therefore, they are, think, think, third, these, those, though, thus, till, to be, together, told, to, toward, trade, tried, truth, to, under, United States, university, usual, usually, very, was, we, welcome, what, whatever, when, whenever, whether, which, who, whose, why, wish, wished, with, within, without, wonderful, wonderfully, word, would, writer, yard, yesterday, you, young, your.